Okay. Yeah. Hey guys, we'll start in another 2 minutes. Okay.
Yeah, we'll start within 2 or 3 minutes. We'll wait.
Shankar, request hack suggestion.
Yeah, let me share this screen. So is this visible, guys, my screen?
Yeah, sure.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah. Is my screen visible to everyone?
సార్ స్క్రీన్ అయితే విజిబుల్ అవుతుంది.
స్క్రీన్ విజిబుల్ అవుతుందా అందరికి?
యా మీ స్క్రీన్ విజిబుల్
Yeah,
ఉందండి.
yeah, sure. It's visible.
Okay. Let me close. Sorry, guys. Sorry. So let us talk about VPC, guys. Okay, this we'll try to start everything from baby steps. Okay, okay. What we'll try to start networking essentials. Okay, we'll try to understand why, what, and what is needed. Okay, this is one of the largest service in AWS. I mean, approximately. Okay, all other things we can cover, like if it is like CloudWatch or SNS, everything will take 10 to 15 minutes itself. But everything networking itself, the world itself, all revolves around networking. If you don't have IP itself, you will not be able to like IP address. All of these things were not there. You'll not be able to understand the word. Every device needs IP, right? So we'll try to start what is IP, and we'll try to go ahead in detail. So can anyone let me know what is IP and many what is the things that will be there? Why do we need IP and what is IP?
To communicate between the systems or servers, we need a. It's just like a address for
It's
the
just,
servers.
it is just like a
Address for the servers to communicate between them.
okay. So we'll have IPv4, IPv6, two kind of things we will be having. So IPv4 is nothing but Internet Protocol version 6. Okay, and we'll be having this, we'll try to call it as Internet Protocol version 4. Okay, so IP is needed in order to, what is protocol, guys?
Guys, let's make it more interactive. Okay. Try to talk more.
Yeah, what is protocol? Anything is fine, whatever you know you can tell. It is, the point is to not point out each and everyone, or to portray that we know some or the other things greater. The point is to like help you out in order to
Yeah,
understand.
that's rude. That's your set of rules.
One by one you can go ahead.
Yeah, it's just as it's those protocols are just a set of rules.
Set of
Rules.
set of rules, right? Yeah. So protocol is nothing but rules, guys. Protocols are nothing but rules. Each particular service will be having, like it tries to use one like as of now you can understand. We'll try to understand in detail at a later point. But as of now you can understand. Protocols are nothing but rules. Every device in this world, okay, every device, whether it is phone or laptop or anything, okay, it is been it knows all of these protocols. Every device, these were predefined rules. Okay, the world has, it has like world itself has, it is something predefined rules. Every smart device over the internet all knows this protocol. Okay, if you try to see Linux machine, okay, like it knows SSH protocol automatically. There is no need to install or any do anything. automatically SSH protocol is there. Okay, it is available for you. Okay, SSH protocol is there and it works on port 22 directly. Okay, NFS is there. Which what is the port for NFS, guys? What is the port for Samba server? Okay, I don't want to go in detail. Again, the topic gets diverted. As of now, you can understand protocols are rules. The world, each particular things, okay, each particular things knows this particular protocol. Okay, over the web. Okay, if you want. And what is IPs are nothing but you'll have two things, guys. Okay, you'll have two things. One is public IP and another is private IP. What is public and what is private IP? Can anyone let me know?
Private IPs are nothing but within the network they will be the communication is established.
Within the network, in the sense.
Within the network means like
Private IPs are available in the LAN network. Public IPs are available in the WAN networks.
Mhm. Can you, yeah, that is correct. But can you tell me on the lay terms why, on a rough note, so that everyone will understand, on not go in detail? Yeah, absolutely, it is correct, guys. But public IPs are nothing but which are like it is something. So let's say I just have. Uh, Guys, if you don't have any of the doubts, be on mute. So two things you'll have, one is public and one is private. Okay, so let's say you have this particular device in the internet, or any of your application is hosted, like let's say WhatsApp or any of the other thing is being hosted. Okay, WhatsApp is there. Okay, I'm just writing WhatsApp application is hosted inside, like let's say this is server. Okay, in order to access your WhatsApp application, any person in this world need to communicate via public IP itself. Okay, it is IP, via IP itself, and they should have, like, the public IP should be there. Public IP, via this public IP itself, you will be able to communicate with this particular application. Okay, every device need one public IP, guys. Okay, whether it is a smartphone or printer, okay, or your computer or any other things, okay, need one of the public IP if it want to communicate to all of the things like world or anything, and this needs an IP. So IPv4 is becoming, like we are telling, IPv4 will not be there from ages, but yeah, so IPv4 will be restricted. Okay, so soon, like I don't know, because as of now, like the world population, can you let me know, guys? What is the world population? On a global note, it should work. Okay, it's not something IP is restricted to state or your house or my house. Okay, IPs are very scarce. Okay, so as of now, what is our population? Can you say India population? I don't know how many of from are from India, but yeah, India has around 150 CR, right? And overall, like overall countries are around 193. Okay, 193 countries we have, and some goes 194, 195, 192, something. It goes in and around, right? So overall population is 738. As of I remember, when I had read paper around 4 months back. Okay, seven, and mostly one third or half, more than like around 20 to 30% is of India. So if this each person tries to utilize, or if each person, let me keep my guess just a second, allow me a minute. And I'll try to take up all of your doubts, guys. Allow me some time. Okay, at the end we'll try to have. Okay, so So each person is being need one, like let's say, let us assume each kid, each small every person, if every person needs, every person tries to use some smartphone or anything, so 738 crore IPs will, okay, because each device small at IP, okay, in order to work. So I'll try to say in detail, but as of now IPs are nothing but, in order to rule it, it is something a rule. So if you try to say, I'll try to, like let's say you have ordered in a Zomato or Swiggy or anything, okay, so what you will try to say, you will try to say some address, right? Come to this location, take second right, you will try to fill it, and you will try to, he'll try to deliver it, he'll try to deliver to your house or home. Okay, this is nothing but address. This is nothing but address. In a similar fashion, in the internet as well, okay, these is something, as of now you can understand the address of your computers or whatever it might be, okay, address of your computer or over the web, okay, over the internet. So if you want to access any of your application via internet, you need to have an IP. That's what you can, that's all you can remember as of now. Okay, so even in this IPs, you can't have on rough note, you can't say, like I'll try to talk at a later point about protocols, what is TCP, UDP, layer. It is something 4-day session, right? But as of now, we'll not talk, we'll not go to this point. So this is something, whenever you want, you can remember as of now, IP is something, an address of a computer. Okay, in order to communicate over the web, you need to have a public IP. So let's say, so I had connected to my laptop. Okay, this is my Wi-Fi. Okay, if I have, guys, am I visible or audible? Everything. You can chat, guys. You can give me a chat. Okay, you can ping me. Okay, rules. Okay, my screen is visible, right? Okay, so let's say this is my network, guys. This is my network, and whoever, like, if I say I had connected from mobile, if I have connected from my laptop, everything will be same. Okay, who will give this IP? My ISP. ISP is nothing but internet service provider. It is something all of your act. Okay, it is something all of your act cable. Okay, or Airtel or Geo or anything. This particular person gives you an IP. Okay, this person gives you an IP address for you. So if I try to connect, can everyone connect their things, like they can connect from mobile. Okay, they can connect, mobile, and connect from the mobile data. Okay, mobile data they can connect, and they can ping in the Chrome directly, what is my IP. You can give what is my IP, ping, hoping that everyone is connected from laptop. That is the reason, whenever you try to turn off all of your things, or you can enable your Wi-Fi in order to stand in the webinar and like check what is your IP, and then turn on your mobile data and check what is my IP. So things will be different, guys. Okay, what is my IP, what is my IP, if you try to give, okay, if you try to see, this is your IP. Okay, can let me reload it. So something, it is my IP, wherever I am, all the things it will be there. Okay, where my location, it will try to see all of the things. Okay, from where you have connected. Okay, that is the reason, whenever some other person, as of now it is shut down, but whenever you try to connect, okay, you can execute like who, okay, all of this command, it tries to show from which location all of your computers has been connected to your server. Okay, like let's say you will be connected, so this is your server, guys. This is your server. Whenever you are trying to work in your office server, every person from like this is your server, and every person over the they will be connecting from Pune, from Bangalore, right? And they will be connecting from like Hyderabad, they will be connecting from Delhi. Okay, whenever something goes wrong in the server, they'll try to check the logs, all of the things. They'll try to give all of the things, who have logged in at what time, what happened. Everything will be traced. Okay, who have done, who had performed which command, like in the last month. Okay, in the last month itself. So one of our known ones have killed one of the process, which is costing around 1 CR, guys. So he has killed, it is something production process, he has killed it without knowing all of the things. And he's telling like, okay, no, I have not done, okay, all of these things. But, like after asking many number of times, he had agreed. But yeah, girls will not agree for sure. They'll cry, that is a different story. Yeah. So this is something, who have done all of the things, from which IP you have connected, all of the things will be known. All of the things will be known. So as of now, you try to connect and let me know. Okay, definitely you will be getting different IPs, guys. Okay, different IPs you will be getting. So even in this IP, you will have a range, guys. You will have a range. Okay, you'll have like, let's say, like you are going to movie. You are going to movie, and there will be like 50 rupees ticket and 100 rupees ticket, 200 rupees ticket, and let's stop it here, and it is stop, and recliner will be also there. So let's say this is up to some standard. Okay, some seats will be there. So let's say, let's consider this is something like, this is something like, or yeah, this is something like set of group or people we are considering, or let's say range of numbers, it is from 0 to 9, right? IPs are also having such ranges. Okay, you will be having class A. I did not have PPT, guys, sorry. It is some class A, and it there will be class B, class C, class D, and class C. You no need to worry about these two things. We will try to talk at a later point. And as of now, you will be using only these particular things. Okay, this is being used for multicasting. So let's say if there is something live debate for all of the politics you are going, you are seeing, so there you need an IP in order to telecast that program in the TV. Okay, so and this is something for future reference for scientists. Okay, development of R&D. Okay, these kind of things you will be having. But as of now, you try to remember ABC, this is having some ranges. So what is the range of this particular alphabets is having A to Z. Okay, numbers are having from 0 to 9. Don't say it is 100. Okay, it is a combination of all of this itself, right? From 0 to 9 itself, you will be getting all of the three things, right? Okay, so you will be having ranges. So what is the range of an IP address, guys? Can I have something 502.655.702.701.1055? Can I have this IP?
From 0 to 255 only we can have IP address.
You can ping me in the chat. Am I audible, guys?
Chat disabled.
Chat disabled.
Yes, chat is disabled.
Yeah. Okay, let me. I don't know how to do it. Enable Q&A. It is enabled. You can let me know. You can talk. Okay. So can I have this particular range? I'm asking you a question for IP. Can I have
0,
this?
no.
Huh?
0 to
Then
127.
0
0
to
to 255.
127.
127 or
Yes.
okay. So can't I have like 203.250 247.9 5 IP address.
Yes, we can have.
Okay, then only 0 to 127 someone is telling.
0 to 255 actually.
Why
Yes.
0 to 255? Why 0 to 255? Is there any rule? Zero to 255. Okay, it is good. But why? Is there any reason?
Because IP addresses are 65,536. It
Sorry,
is
sorry. Oh, 65.
536.
Okay.
So the
This number of IPs we will have, you are telling?
yes,
Okay, then what I'll try to ping like in the web. How many IPs we can have on class A? How many IPs we can have? Okay, how many IPs? You are telling 65,000. You are telling class B range, guys. Class B IPs address. You will have 65,000. Okay, that is a different one. Okay, you'll suppose how many we can have, you can ask. It will say 65,536. We are telling class B range. Okay, but I'm asking what I have asked. Okay, so what is this only 255? Why only 255? Guys, IPv4 in the sense 4 octets. Okay, 4 in the sense, okay, 8. I mean 4 octets. Octet in the sense 8 bits. Okay, 4 octets we are having in IPv4. So everything IP, due to IP scarcity, we are not treating IP in a form of decimal format. We had started treating everything as an binary number. You try to remember this. Binary in the sense 1 and 0 itself. Decimal is something which is the base of 10. Okay. Binary is something 1 and 0, only two. So if there are 8, 8, 8, 8, so what is the possibilities you will be getting? 8 here. Okay, 2 power 8 you will be getting. 2 power 8 is something 256. 256 and the base location starts from 0. So that is the reason 2 to 255. Okay, if you try to arrange 8, okay, in the form of, like, let's say I'm telling 8 digits, guys. Okay, 8 digits. Okay, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0, all of these things are ranges. Okay, if you try to arrange all of the ones and all of the zeros, how many possibilities you will be getting? So let's say 0 0 0 0 0 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, then after you will try to have 1. Okay, you will have 2 right here. No, man, it is 1 itself. It will try to go on, and it will try to reach up to everything. Okay, it will try to reach up to something, everything. Whenever it is over the last digit, 4 5 6 7 8, then you will try to have next one here, right? Okay, so and goes, it goes up to 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So you will be getting a permutations. Okay, I mean the combination, how many you will be getting? Around 256 combinations. You try to make an arrangement, but if you try to know basic mathematics, okay, it is whenever you have 8 digits. Okay, and the possibilities are whenever you try to arrange with respect to zeros and ones. So, and the number of digits, if there are 8. Okay, in 8 possible ways if you want to arrange. So 2 power 0 is the minimum arrangement that you can make, and 2 power, sorry, like 2 power 8 that you can make maximum if you want to arrange zeros and ones. So let me be very clear, guys. Okay, if you want to arrange 0 with 8 positions, okay, the maximum thing, okay, it is everything only 1 and 0 that you need to distribute. Okay, and if you want to arrange 1, all of these things, okay, 2 power 0 is the minimum and 2 power 8 is the maximum that you will be getting. Okay, try, if you are very good in math, you will be able to understand. Okay, or else you try to arrange ones and zeros in all of your ways. Okay, you can start writing from here. You can start writing from here and you can go up to here. Okay, directly don't say 1. Okay, this digit need to be changed. After this, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and you should go up to 1. Okay, 1 0 0 0. Okay, 1, and after that 1 you are try to arrange here. Okay, 1 to like all the possible things you try to arrange. The minimum number of possibilities you will be getting 2 power 0 and maximum 2 power 8. That's the reason you will be able to get the 255 range. So any particular IPv4, I'm not talking about IPv6. As of now, we will be standing or we will be restricting to IPv4. Okay. So IPv4, we will be having 32 bits. Okay, 8 bits here, 8 bits here, 8 bits here, 8 bits here. Okay, this is 2 power 0 or 2 power, what maximum we can have is 1 1 1 1 1. We'll try to understand in detail, but the maximum thing is you'll not able to see 256 IP itself in IPv4. Okay, and you will be having some series, guys. You will be having some series like 1.0.0.1 to, I remember like what, 126.255.255.255. Okay, and next it is class A, guys. It is class A. You are dividing. So 0 to 255, you can't give 255 members came into move for the movie. 255 people came to a movie, and you can't give all of the cinema hall capacity itself is 255 seats. Okay, so all of the seats cannot be like directly it is some hall. Okay, you can assume it is, and you will be having some seats here and you will be having some seats here, and you can have all of the things, and this is balcony you can have. Okay, so all the seats you are isolating. So let's say some 255 is the maximum capacity, so you are dividing all of these particular seats. So from 0 to 126 you are trying to divide. Okay, so why 0 is not coming as well, you need to tell, guys. 1 to 126. Okay, you can have these seating. Okay, 1.1 to, sorry, 1, not it is 1, it is 10.0.0.012. Okay, and you can go up to this point. Okay, and after that you will be having class B, guys. Class B range starts from 128. 127 is loopback IP address, guys. Okay, I don't want to go in detail. That is your local itself. That is your local itself. 120. We'll try to talk in detail about 128.1.0.12. What is the range? Okay, 190. Go ahead, guys. One. You no need to remember all of this. There is some separate concept actually. I'll try to explain when we are dealing. Whenever you try to remember that concept, if you are very good with concepts, okay, you will be able to have. You will try to able to remember. Okay, 191.255.255. I'll try to take up some things, yes, okay, from internet itself. You no need to remember or by heart. IP classification. Okay, these were wait, ఎట్లా వచ్చేసిందంటే, you can see here, right? Guys, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. So if you try to see, these were IP classification. This gets started from 1 to, it is 1 or 10. Okay, it is 1. Okay. This is the range. This is the range of class B. This is the range of class C. This is the range of class D. So you try to remove D and many other things. You try to remember only these up to this part. Okay. We'll be getting, and in this range you will be restricted with some ranges. Okay. What are all those ranges? We'll try to talk about that ranges at later. And what is the thing of other thing is 110.172 dot 190. Go ahead, guys. This is something apart from this, everything is a public IP. Okay, you will be having any particular IP address which is starting from this particular range 10 dot and 172 dot and other series 190. What is that range?
192.
192 dot. Go ahead. Great. 1
168.
1
168. 68.
168 dot.
168.
This one,
31.
sorry, 10 dot 255 dot 255 dot 255 is private IP range. Okay, is private IP range. From where you will try to have this one 10 dot 0 dot 0 is to here up to, and 172 dot 16 dot 0 dot 0 from 172 dot. You can remember, guys, after 17 you will be getting 16. In this fashion you can remember. Okay, 170, this is 192.168. 16 is common, you can remember. Immediately after 17, you can have 16. And if it is something other than 172, 17, 16, if it is coming, you can remember it is class B and, sorry, private ranges. And 172, after immediately 192, if you are able to see, and after dot, you will be able to see 192.0.0, you will be able to see 192.168.255.255. So these were some of the ranges for private IP, guys. Private IP in the sense I can have this IP and you can have this IP on a similar note. Okay, if you try to say like TCS can have this particular IP address and Infosys can have this particular IP. There is nothing like this is for internal purpose itself. Okay, this is for, just a second. Infosys can have this IP address. Okay, any particular TCS, Infosys, Wipro can have this particular thing. Okay, oh my god, it is very big. Okay, any of these companies can have this IP address. Okay, so like we can have, and we need to remember one thing, guys. Okay, IP is something, it can start from anything. Okay, it is something, it is one dot itself. Okay, I have written 10. Okay, one dot. And what is the range of class C, guys? Class C had kept mic. We'll try to copy it from here. Okay, it is not copying, right? I've written somewhere. One dot 223 dot 255 dot 254 dot 255.254. Okay, 254.254. So in this ranges, whenever you try to launch any of your instance in AWS or Azure or GCP, you will be getting these ranges itself, guys. Most probably these ranges itself. Okay, most probably up to class C itself, 100% itself, yeah, mostly. And like the private ranges will be from here. The private ranges will be, it will be, so let me launch one EC2 instance and let me show you. This is my EC2. Sorry. So if you try to see what is the private range and to which class it tries to like it comes. Which class? 172.31.29.30. Can anyone let me know? Am I audible? జయన్న మాటలు వినిపిస్తున్నాయా?
యాక్షన్ కనిపిస్తున్నాయి.
అంటే ఎవరు సపోర్ట్ చేయకపోతే యూ కెన్ గో హెడ్ గైస్, యూ కెన్ టాక్. ఎనీథింగ్ యూ కెన్ టెల్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కరెక్ట్ ఆర్ నాట్. ఇది ఏం టీచర్ స్టూడెంట్ ఏం కాదు కదా. ఇప్పుడు నేను నార్మల్గా ఏదైనా హోంవర్క్ రాయకపోతే లాస్ట్లో దాక్కుంటుండే, అట్లా ఏం కాదు కదా. చెప్పురు అని గన్ పెట్టి బెదిరియట్లే. ఇఫ్ యూ టెల్ యూ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫైన్, దట్ ఈస్ అబ్సల్యూట్లీ ఫైన్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కరెక్ట్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ కరెక్ట్. ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ అనేబుల్ టు టాక్, ఇఫ్ యూ నో యూ కెన్ టెల్ yes, if you don't know you can tell no. But
Actually, what is the question?
క్వశ్చన్ ఏమడిగినా నేను, ఇది ఏ రేంజ్కి వస్తుంది అని అడిగిన.
Class C? Class B?
క్లాస్
Class
క్లాస్
B?
క్లాస్ అని ఎవరన్నారు?
నేనే సార్,
ఆ?
నేనే సార్, రమేష్.
నేనే అంటే పేరు చెప్పండి.
సరే
రమేషా? నేను ఇది ఏ రేంజ్ లోకి వచ్చింది అని చెప్పిన, ప్రైవేట్ రేంజెస్ ఏంటివని చెప్పిన, నేను ఇవని చెప్పిన కదా, ఇవని చెప్పిన కదా. ఓకే, మీకు 170 క్లాస్ సిలో కనిపిస్తుందా, క్లాస్ బిలో కనిపిస్తుందా?
అంటే సార్ అది 192తో స్టార్ట్ అయింది కదా.
ఏడ స్టార్ట్ అయింది 192తోని? 172 ఇది.
ఓకే మీరు ప్రైవేట్ అయిపోయి అడుగుతున్నారా? అదైతే క్లాస్ బి సార్.
192 ఎక్కడ కనిపించిందండి మీకు?
అంటే నేను ఐ మీన్ లైక్ నాకు వాయిస్ కొంచెం బ్రేక్ అవడం వల్ల నేను మీ షీట్ లో
ఓకే
నేను అది చూసి.
ఓకే, 172 అని ఏ వచ్చినా సరే అంటే ఇగో ఈ అడ్రస్ ని బట్టి మనం చెప్పేసేయచ్చు. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఈ అన్నిట్లోనే పడుతుంది కదా 16 డాట్ అని చెప్పేసి, 16 తర్వాతనే ఉంటుంది కదా 31. అంటే ఇది ఏందంటే దీని మీనింగ్ ఏంటిది? ఇది ఏంది 172 అన్నిట్లో రాసిన నేను? ఈ 255.255 కదా, తప్పు రాసిన అని చెప్పాలి కదా మీరు. డాట్ అనుకోండి, పిక్చర్ లైట్ తీసుకోండి, డాట్ అనుకోండి. అంటే ఈడ 17, 18, 19, 27 వచ్చినా సరే ఈడకెంచి కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది. ఈడ వరకు కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది. ఇది ఇట్లనే ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, ఇది ఈడకెంచి కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది. 1కెంచి 270 కదా, 250, 255 వరకు వెళ్తుంది. ఇది ఏడకి వెళ్తుంది, ఈ లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ కూడా ఈడ వరకు వెళ్తుంది. ఇది ఏడ వరకు వెళ్తుంది?
255 వరకు.
తర్వాతది అది 255 వరకే. అట్లా వెళ్ళిపోతా ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. ఈ దీంట్లో మాత్రం 3 వెళ్తాయి, దీంట్లో 2 వెళ్తాయి, దీంట్లో 2 వెళ్తాయి. దీంట్లో ఇంకోటి ఏంటిది తెలుసా, సైడర్ బ్లాక్ అని ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని మనం అందరు సైడర్ అంటారు, సిఐడిఆర్ అంటారు, ఎట్లనో అట్లా అంటారు. సిఐడిఆర్ అంటే ఏంటిది, ఫుల్ ఫామ్ ఏంటిది తెలుసా ఎవరికన్నా?
Classless inter-domain routing.
అంత స్పీడ్ చెప్తే నేను అందుకోలేను బాస్, మెల్లగా చెప్పండి.
Classless
క్లాస్లెస్
inter-domain
ఇంటర్ డొమైన్.
routing.
ఓకే, ఇది కరెక్టేనా వేరే వాళ్ళు?
Yes, it's correct.
ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు దీంట్లో /30 అని వస్తుంది. /32 అంటే మ్యాక్సిమం ఎంత అంటే 32 అని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. లాస్ట్కి IPv4కి ఎంత ఉండాలి? 32 అని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఓకే, 32 అంటే ఇంటర్నల్గా కొన్ని యూజ్ చేసుకుంటుంది ఐపీ AWSలో. మనం అది మాట్లాడదాం. 5 IPలు తగ్గిపోతాయి, ఇక్కడ 5 తగ్గుతాయి. ఓకే, ఎందుకు తగ్గుతాయి ఏంటిది, కానీ యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నౌ 32 అనేది ఫుల్ అని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. దీన్ని మనం సైడర్ అంటాం. ఓకే, ఈడ 32 అని కాకుండా ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 10. క్లాస్ ఏనే తీసుకుందాం, 10.10.10.0 అని ఉంది. దీన్ని ఏమంటామని చెప్పిన సబ్నెట్. నా హ్యాండ్ రైటింగ్ చాలా వరస్ట్గా ఉంటుంది, పిక్చర్ లైట్ తీసుకోండి. ఓకే, ఇదేంటిది, ఎన్ఐపీలు వస్తాయి ఇక్కడ సైడర్ని బట్టి మ్యాక్సిమం. ఓకే, అంటే మన ప్రెసెంట్ది మైనస్ ఆర్ఎల్స్ మ్యాక్సిమం మైనస్ మీకున్నది చేస్తే అన్న ఐపీలు వస్తాయని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఈక్వల్ టు యువర్ ఐపీస్ అనమాట. ఓకే, మ్యాక్సిమం ఎంత అంటే 32. ఓకే, మీకున్నది ఎంత అంటే ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తుంది కదండి, మీకున్నది ఎంత అంటే 32 అని చెప్పాలి. ఓకే, అప్పుడు ఎన్ని వస్తాయి? ఒకటే వస్తుంది ఒకవేళ ఇది ఫుల్ ఉంటే. లేదు అన్నప్పుడు ఒకవేళ మీకు వేరేది వస్తుంది అని అనుకుంటే 10.10.0.0.0/28 అని అన్నారు అనుకో, 28 వద్దులే కానీ ఆ 28 అని అనుకుందాం. అప్పుడు మ్యాక్సిమం ఎంత మీది? 32. ఓకే, మీరు ఇది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, తర్వాత నేను చెప్తా. మ్యాక్సిమం మైనస్ లైక్ మీకున్నది చేస్తే ఎన్ని వస్తాయి?
4.
అంతేనా? 4, సారీ 6 అంటున్నా, 4 కదా
అంతే.
కానీ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 2 అనమాట. ఇది ఏంటంటే 2 power 0 అని అంటే ఏంటిది? ఒక ఐపీ. ఓకే, 2 power 4 అంటే ఎన్ని? 2 power 4 అంటే ఎంత? వామ్మో, 2 square అని అనుకోండి. వెన్ బేసెస్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ పవర్స్ కెన్ బి యాడెడ్, రైట్? స్థావరాలు సమానంగా ఉన్నప్పుడు శక్తుల్ని జోడిస్తాం కదా, అప్పుడు ఎంత అవుతుంది? ఇది
16.
16 అవుతుంది. దానికి 4 ఎంత? 16. ఇప్పుడు 16 అంటే రేంజ్ ఎక్కడి నుండి వస్తుంది? మళ్ళీ ఐపీలు ఏడుకెంచి వస్తాయి అంటే ఈ 2 కదిలియమన్నమాట. ఇక ఏడుకెంచి ఇవి మారుస్తూ ఉంటాం. ఓకే, 16 కాదు కానీ 30కి వేద్దాం. 30కి వేస్తున్నాము అంటే ఎంత అవుతుంది? 32 - 30 అంటే 2 square అవుతుంది, అంటే 4 వస్తాయి. మీరు చెప్పండి ఒకసారి ఏమేమి వస్తాయి రేంజెస్?
10.0.0.02
రైట్, చెప్పండి కరెక్టే.
10.0.3
3 1 వామ్మో 2 తర్వాత 3.
నేను అన్ని చెప్తున్నా సార్, లాస్ట్ ఇంకా మొత్తం ఎన్ని వస్తాయి? 3 వరకు వస్తాయి అంటున్నా.
3 వరకు మాత్రమే వస్తాయి. సైడర్ రేంజ్ ఇంత ఉంటే ఇంతే వస్తుంది అన్నమాట. ఓకే, ఒకవేళ నార్మల్గా 25 ఉంది అనుకో, ఎంత వస్తుంది మీరు చెప్పండి? 25 ఉంటే ఎంత వస్తుంది? మీరు VPCలు క్రియేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు దీంట్లో AWSలో VPC అంటారండి. VPC అంటే ఏంటిది అంటే వర్చువల్ ప్రైవేట్ క్లౌడ్. ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ ట్రైంగ్ టు టాక్ ఇన్ తెలుగు, రైట్? సారీ. So VPC is nothing. Whenever you are trying to decrease, happen guys, like let's say the maximum number minus your CIDR will give you the number of IPs. Okay, so in your network you can launch those many missions. The meaning is, okay, if it is something 25, what you will try to do? 32 minus 25 is nothing but
So
how much? 2 power 7. So 2 power 7 is nothing but
128.
these many IPs you will be able to launch. Okay, these many IP servers or missions. So let's say you have some of your application. Okay, generally microservice will be given, guys. Okay, whenever you are trying to work as a lead for 5 years or 10 years, you will be getting this requirement. Okay, if you have like 14 years, architect will try to call it. Guys, if you don't have doubts, okay, you can mute. Okay. So let's say microservice, auth or authentication microservice. We'll try to say add to cart service. So like this, we'll try to have some or the other services. Okay. Each microservice will be launched. Okay. So let's say any of your application. So let's say like Instagram or Facebook application you are just trying to host. Instagram, it is your application. So inside your server you will be, oh my god, so let's say you have this application. Okay, you have this is your Instagram. Okay, and you have hell number of people, right? అమ్మాయిలు అయితే మరీ చేస్తారు కదా, ఇట్లా పాటలు పెట్టుకుంటా డాన్స్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు, రీల్ చేస్తుంటారు కదా. ఓకే, అప్పుడు ఏంది, సర్వర్ ఉండాలన్నమాట. వెనకాల ఏముండాలి, సర్వర్ రన్ అయితే ఉండాలన్నమాట. యూ నీడ్ టు హ్యావ్ యువర్ సర్వర్ విచ్ నీడ్ టు బి రన్నింగ్ ఇన్ ద బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ థింగ్స్. Okay, so let's say you are running a server and then we'll try to call it as TPS, guys. TPS is nothing but transactions per second. So 2000 hits per second you are getting, or 5000 hits per second on a sudden note. If your hits are getting increased, the number of servers in the background will be also increased in order to make this application work. Or else if you don't try to increase your things, you will try to your application will be crashed. Okay, the existing users, 2000 people who are currently logged in, will be also will not get any proper response. Okay, server as of now you can remember, server which whenever you try to give a hit, it will try to give a response. That's what you can remember as of now. Okay, so Instagram is an application, and whenever there is 2000 hits per second, you are having some, let's say, 10 servers. Okay, whenever you want to increase, you need to increase this to 100 servers. Okay, you need to increase this to 100 servers. So like let's say you want an application, and on a sudden note it has been increased, so you need some 30,000 servers. So 30,000 servers, in the sense 30,000 IPs you need to get, because each particular IP will be assigned. And in AWS, Ethernet card will be there, right? Ethernet, like you'll try to show you. This is the thing. Elastic IP, where is that, man? Dedicated host, launch configurations, events. Okay, this will be Elastic IP, or the IP which will be connected and which will be connected to your instance, and you will be getting an IP. Okay, so that is what, in the sense 30,000 IPs if you want to have. How you will try to design your network? You need to take A or B or C, guys. What things you will try to choose?
B.
B ఆ, ఏ తీసుకోవద్దా? Why I should not take B or C? ఓకే, బీలోనే చెప్దాం ఏదైనా. బి అంటే ఏంది, రేంజ్ ఏంది, వాట్ గైస్. సో వెన్ ఎవర్ యూ ఆర్ ట్రయింగ్ టు హ్యావ్ like you will try to design a huge network. Under that you will try to have, so let's say Instagram is there. Okay, and some people will be coming and hitting. Okay, only some people will not try to give the accounts everyone. The database will not be accessed, right? So some people will have some features, some people will not have some of the features. We'll try to restrict. So let's say Instagram is there. I don't use. Okay, it's not in my laptop, but yeah, some posts will be coming. Who can add the particular post or reel? Only the owner can add, and other people can see it, and other people can't delete it, right? Only this owner can delete, or the admins or database admin of the Instagram application, okay, can delete this particular post if it is something very bad or something. If there is some terrorism or huge, they'll try to delete that account or something. Okay, so depending upon your things, you'll give access. So something huge, okay, let's say 30,000 you want, huge application, you'll try to break it into small networks. How we will try to create how we will try to create under that, like let's say huge building is there, okay, 6 floors building is there, and inside that you will try to have in each floor again you will try to divide 4 houses, 4 1 2 3 4, so something you will try to divide. So some in a similar fashion, if you have your things, you will try to choose class A, class B, class C, anything you can choose. Let's say as someone told 170, what is the range guys? 172.16.0.0, and
Zero.
cider range of, what is the cider range you will try to give here? I should get 30,000 guys. You will have cider, okay, you will have calculator, you know, no need to worry. You can use any of these things, okay, any of these things. So you'll be able to do it, you'll be able to get it. Okay, so let's say, so if you are able to get this, so if you try to see, if I give 20, what is the things you will be getting? Update. Okay, I'll try to update. What is the thing you will be getting is, okay, from 4094 I am getting. No, I don't want. Whenever I try to decrease, your IPS gets increased, guys, because something 2 power 32 minus 2 power 19, 2 power 18, if you try to do, you will be getting still the more number. It is 8190. Okay, so something, okay, I'll try to give 172 dot, what is that? 16.02, and subnet mask I'll try to give something 18. Okay, I'll try to give, okay, 16,000 I'm getting, so I'll try to give 16 itself. So something 16, if I give, I'm getting this one, I'll try to give 17. I'm getting 32,000. Okay, so something huge on a, from here to, like, this is something huge network, or else I'll try to take 16 itself. I just want 65,000 IPs. Okay, and the 65,000 IP, 65,000 servers I need. Okay, because some huge reels will be released. So 65,000 servers I'll try to launch, and these will be app server, web servers, and all of these things we'll try to consider. Okay, app servers, all or things, or web servers or anything, and database things will be also there. Okay, database will be there. So up to some point, what is the range, guys? 172.16.0.02. Like up to some range, I'll try to have this is the, okay, I'll try to have 16 itself. You can see, guys, you can see. Okay, why you are getting 65534? Because the starting one and ending one you are ignoring, so +2, right? 00 in between IPs only you are getting. You are not calculating you are calculating it from 1. If you try to see 1 2 3, and it is going up to 254. Okay, this and this are also an IPs, right? You can use this as well. So it is telling database things. Okay, you can launch the database things. Okay, what you'll try to do, you'll try to have some up to, what is the range you'll try to have? You'll try to start from 0.0 to 255 dot. So let us assume 255.255. Here in this server, you will try to have only some features, guys. I mean, only admins can upload all of those things. This only, so whenever I hit or whenever I log into my particular things, it tries to log into application servers, and this gives the database. And you will try to have cache layer and many other things, web server. Before on rough note, I am trying to tell. Okay, so this is your application server. This is your database. Okay, and he just want to access all of only his database. So this need, and we'll try to divide the network, this network into some small terms like public network, and we'll try to call this as private. And because this is not required, guys, so let's say if you are having some banking application you are having, okay, with respect to some of the DBS bank or anything, these databases, how much balance I have, how much of revenue is getting debited or added, this the data on a user specific, it will be stored with respect to in the databases of Postgres or MongoDB or MySQL or anything. Okay, the databases will be here. Okay, but this will not be in public. If I kept in public, there will be some security breach. Okay, so that is the reason. And on this servers only, what you'll try to understand in detail when this comes, when we are trying to implement some project. But as of now, you try to remember it is something 255 dot 2 up to 255 dot 254. And if I want like this particular this is all of your range. This is subnet or CIDR. And I want something, some 30,000 here and some 30,000 servers here. Because depending upon requirement, I need to say, okay, I don't want to deploy my particular database of this into this particular thing. Okay. I don't want to deploy. Okay, do you have any doubt? డౌట్ ఉందా ఎవరికన్నా? అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes, bro.
Everyone?
Yes, go ahead. I'm
Yes, bro.
listening.
Yeah, so I just want to have 30,000 IPs. How I'll try to divide? We had divided balcony and small tickets, everything, right? 100 rupees. How I'll try to divide 30,000 here and 30,000 here? Because this is something database. Okay, I need to have some here servers. I need to have some web servers here. Okay, I just want to have 20,000 servers here. So 20,000 IPs I need to get of application server, and 30,000 and 10 web servers, 10K web servers. How I'll try to divide? So this is your network, and what is the range? 172.16 dot. Go ahead, guys. దీనికి 10,000 కావాలంటే ఎట్లా డివైడ్ చేస్తా? ఈడికెంచి ఇంకో రేంజ్ ఇస్తా. నాలుగు ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎట్లా చేసినాం మనము? స్లాష్ 16 కంచే సపోర్ట్ చేస్తుంది. బై డిఫాల్ట్ యూ ట్రై టు రిమెంబర్ గైస్, ద రేంజ్ ఈస్ ఫ్రమ్ 0 to 32 on a general note, but Amazon supports 16 to 32 itself. Azure supports 8 to 32 CIDR. This is AWS. This cider range, how much I'll try to keep, guys, in order to get 10,000 IPs. In order to get 4, what is the thing? 2 power 4 I had given. 2 power 4 in the sense 32 minus 28. If I do 2 power 4, I am getting. So something x minus some range. Okay, 2 power x minus 2 power. What is the thing? Okay, in order to get so maximum 2 power, like let's say 10,000. 10,000 if you try to convert 10,000, okay, 10,000 convert into binary, guys. Okay, so రెండు ఎంత 16 26. Guys, go ahead, guys. Yeah, fine. I got the things. You can calculate here. I had given you website as well. నోట్ లెక్కతో వేసేయచ్చు ఒక నిమిషం అటు ఇటు అయినా లెక్కల్లో మరీ అంత పూర్ ఉన్నా నేను అని అనుకుంటే ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ వెరీ పూర్ ఇన్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ you can calculate because this 10k servers need to have only some features. It should be restricted. If I keep everything in one, okay, as a monolithic, okay, everyone can access everything. So let's say you have Instagram, and if you try to keep everything in public, and if you give all of the access should be stopped here. Okay, so something everyone can come and delete all of your post. That should not be a possible. That is not the case, right? వామ్మో మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా? I'll try to stop at this point, guys. We'll try to see in detail tomorrow.
Yeah, okay, Shankar. Guys, try to watch the video again and try to come back tomorrow. Okay, so try to talk more. Okay, so it's very important that you guys talk. Okay, so interaction is very important. Like we know, like you getting, you understanding on. It's very important.
It
Okay,
is.
so
It
we'll connect back tomorrow.
is
So
we
connect
need
అవుదాం.
to చెప్పన్నా?
రేపు కనెక్ట్ అవుదాం అంటున్నా, అంటే లైక్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి వీడియో మళ్ళీ అని చెప్తున్నా.
Yeah, I'll try to share this PDF as well, guys. It looks very ugly, I know. అంత ఏదో కోడ్ కలిగినట్టుంది కానీ బట్ నాట్ ఏ ప్రాబ్లం. యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్. Okay, I'll try to stop the screen and tomorrow we'll try to meet. Okay, because this helps you out in order to understand Azure VNet peering, VPC peering, or మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఇట్లుంటే మరి పెద్ద నెట్వర్క్స్ ట్రాన్సిట్ గేట్వే ఇట్లాంటివి చెప్పేటప్పుడు మీకు కష్టమవుతుందండి, మస్తు కష్టమవుతుంది. లెక్కలు ఎట్లా వేసేయాలి, గట్టిగా వేయాలి. ముసలి తాత ఉంటాడు మా దగ్గర షాప్లో దుకాణంలో కూర్చొని, ఎంత అయింది అంటే నోట్ లెక్కతో వేసేస్తాడు క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ లేకుండా. ఇంత అయింది బేటా అని చెప్పేసి ఇంకా ₹2 ఎక్కువనే వేస్తాడు. ఎక్కువ వేయడలే కానీ కరెక్టే వేస్తాడు, ఉట్టిగా అంటున్నా, కానీ ఫాస్ట్ వేస్తాడు. వాళ్ళే అట్లా వేస్తున్నప్పుడు మీరు ఇంటర్నెట్ కూడా తీసుకోండి అని చెప్తున్నా. యా, యూ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఇట్, యూ విల్ బి గెటింగ్, డెఫినెట్లీ విల్ బి హెల్పింగ్ యూ అవుట్. ట్రై టు ఆస్క్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ డౌట్స్. Anything if you are unable to understand, we'll try to tell once again. You try to ask all of the things on daily basis. We'll have the class, guys. You will be getting or post with respect to, like, you can contact Jayanna for all of the things. Yeah, thanks once again. Let me wind
Thanks,
up.
Shankar.
Yeah.
Thank you.